If you have some empty space in your garden which is an eyesore to you, then you can turn it into something like this in just 15 to 20 minutes and make this corner center of attraction in your garden.
Hi, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening.
So I started with covering the fence with this railing planter. The idea is to cover the fence with greenery as much as possible. Then in the corner I kept an old earthen pot and I arranged few stones on both the sides, giving it a river look. Then goes an earthen tray on the side, and later I will put few aquatic plants in it. Now I'll arrange few potted plants all around like philodendron, syngonium, spider plants and fern. Now for the river, I am putting a layer of plastic sheet before laying the blue stone chips and sand. I have plenty of it, so I am using this. You can spread a layer of white stones or gravels also, which is easily available at better price. However, this is completely optional. Now I am adding water lettuce to the tray and I will keep 2 ducks around to give it a final touch. And this is the final look. You can always use your creativity and make this space even more beautiful. So this is how I converted this empty space in my front garden to a beautiful landscape. I hope you liked this video. Do let me know through comments on what you want me to come up with next. I'm always open to your suggestions. That's all for today, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.